What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Jumping right into the video, the company I will be working with today is AliPearl hair. Here I'm just showing you guys what all came inside the box. It did come with a lot of goodies. I got a silk wrap, a wig cap, a edge control brush, a silk bag, and the whole 9 yards, y'all. Super cute. This is the wig. This is their 24-inch 5x5 body wave lace front wig. It did come with the length and the closure size on the bag. Inside it comes with inside it comes with combs and adjustable straps in the back, and it did come pre-plucked, and I'm just showing you guys the lace. This is the texture of the wig. It is a body wave wig, like I said. This is what it looks like fresh out of the box. Now we're going to get into customizing. We're going to bleach the knots and pluck the hairline. Using my Nairobi foam, I just like to go ahead and comb all the hair back before I go ahead and bleach the knots. You want to make sure that all the hair is pushed back, just in case you don't want none of the bleach to bleed through on the roots of the hair and actually bleach the hair to like a blonde color. You don't want that. Once you have your wig turned inside out and you have your lace facing you, you want to go ahead and put your bleach on your lace. I used the Quick Blue bleach, and I used about 2 scoops and then about maybe a cap or 2 caps of the 40 volume developer. You want your bleach to be thick. You don't want it to be runny or dripping, because it will bleed through the lace and get on the knots. Not the knots, I'm sorry, the roots of the hair. But yeah, you just want to go ahead and put this wherever you plan on having your knots showing. I like to go ahead and just bleach my knots all over on the lace, like so. Go ahead and bleach that, let that sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we are going to rinse that out and shampoo. Once you have rinsed your wig out and shampooed and everything, you want to go ahead and start plucking. Here I'm showing you guys one side. I did the left side of the closure. I plucked that one already, and then I'm showing you what it looks like when it's unplucked. It doesn't look bad when it's unplugged, but it's just not my preference, so I just wanted to show you guys the difference. But yeah, you want to go in and start customizing your hairline. What I do is I just take a rat tail comb and I comb all the hair straight back and smooth it, and then take my tweezers, and I'm using some slanted tweezers, as you guys can see, and I'm just plucking like 1 inch or 2 inches behind the hairline. I'm gonna do that until I get the look that I'm going for, and then we're going to get into the install process, y'all. After we are done customizing, this is what your lace should look like. This is what my closure is looking like, very frontal-ish. But yeah, you just want to, you know, do your little minor tweaks until you get the look that you're going for. I don't think I plucked too much more after this, but I just want to show you guys this is what the lace looks like after we are done, and you get that frontal closure, you know, finesse. Alright guys, this is my client. Her name is Haley. You guys can follow her on Instagram at dreambigLittleB_. She's going to be my model today for my wig. And yeah, so we're jumping right into the install process. I'm just going ahead and using my yellow Got to Be Glued bottle, and I'm smoothing all of her edges back. Then I am going to get ready to put her bald cap down and then set her up under the dryer. Since this is a 5x5 closure, I won't be using the entire cap. Here, as you guys can see, I'm going to sew off the section that I will be needing for the bald cap, and then I will go ahead and use my Got to Be Glued freeze spray, set her up on the dryer for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then cut off all of the excess cap. Once 10 or 15 minutes has went by, you want to go ahead and check your client and make sure she's dry. If she is dry, you want to go ahead and peel off and cut off all the excess cap. And if you guys are wondering, I am using a bottom of a eyebrow razor comb to peel up the cap from her skin. I find that the smooth surface doesn't snatch your skin or pinch your skin or anything, so I just use that to peel up the cap and then cut off all the excess cap that I don't need. Next, I'm going to take this foundation on the left side and use this e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, I believe, or it might be a Real Techniques eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm going to put that all over the front part of her cap. This is what's going to give you that scalp-like look, I guess, for the bald cap underneath the lace. Make sure you clean off any excess makeup or dirt or anything with an alcohol swab. Again, this is what the wig looks like. I went ahead and added makeup to the lace like so. Now you want to go ahead and just put that on and get ready to cut the excess lace for your install. Next, you want to start in the middle and work your way to the left or right side, whichever one you prefer. And I just do little dots with my Ghost Bond adhesive, and then I take my popsicle stick and smooth that out so I get a smooth thin layer. I do this about 2 or 3 times. You want to make sure the glue is dried completely clear before you apply another layer, and just remember to smooth everything out. You don't want any lumps or any bumps with the glue. You want to make sure everything is smooth, even, and flat. Basically, when it dries, it looks like it's not even there, and then, you know, once that it's all clear and you don't see any more white glue, it's safe to put your lace down. Once your glue is dry, you want to go ahead and place your lace down where you would like it to lay. Be careful not to push the lace into the glue. That way you can move it around if you need to, like I had to. As you guys can see, I had to rearrange the lace a few times before I got it right, and then finally pressed it down and it melted into the skin like so. But yeah, just maneuver until you get how everything to lay. If you have any stray hairs that are stuck up under the lace, I like to go in with a tweezer and just pull them right out. And then, like I said, I started in the middle and then I work my way on the sides, and you just want to line everything up where you put your adhesive at. This is what the lace looks like once you have completely laid it down. Now we're going to get into the baby hairs, and for my baby hairs, I will just be parting off a thin section with my rat tail comb. You can hold the hair or have your client hold the hair for you while you part off your hair. And I will be going in with my shears and my black Got To Be Glue gel to lay down the baby hairs. I'm just gonna do a little 2 simple swoops, nothing crazy, but yeah. This is what your lace should look like once you have finished your baby hairs. Now we are going to get into the styling portion. And to style the hair, I will be using my Got To Be Glued yellow freeze spray, and I'll use a rat tail comb, and then I have this ion crimper or waver, and I have it set to 400 degrees. I got this from Sally Beauty Supply. I think it was about $60, I believe, or maybe 50, I can't remember. I will put a link to it in the description bar below. But yeah, crimping this hair was so easy. I just took my time and did sections. It looked really thick and full, y'all. I love this hair. AliPearl, y'all did that. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Again, this is AliPearl's 5x5 24-inch Brazilian body wave wig. If you guys like this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.